Hey you guys, welcome back. We are at Publix this week with some amazing deals. I'm going to do a preview deal for you guys, showing you all some of the best deals that you can shop at Publix this week from $4.09 to $4.19. It looks like our ad is extended, which is cool because that means that we get to shop these deals a little longer, which I absolutely love. But nonetheless, if you all are new to couponing, go ahead and subscribe down below. I show you all how to coupon, where to go, what to clip, all of that good stuff. So go ahead and tune in down below. Hit that subscribe button. Also follow my other channels, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. It is Coupon with Niche. I show you deals every single day on products that you use on a daily. In addition, you guys, make sure that you have the Publix app because you're going to need it. Also, download the Ibotta app as well. It is that free rebate app I talk to you guys about all the time. You do get a $5 welcome bonus when you sign up, so use my referral code if you don't have it. But we are going to be scoring on some amazing products, so let's go ahead and get started. The first deals that we are going to look at is on these jet puffed mini marshmallows. They are going to be buy one get one free tomorrow. They are $2.19. But on top of that, you guys, we have a coupon that if we spend $10, you are going to get $3 off. Now, I'm going to show you all for the old system and the new system because it's a little different. Now, I don't know which is which, okay? You guys just have to scan the item at the store to see like which system it is. But we are looking at $2.19. We are going to grab 6 of them, okay? So our total comes to $13.14. That is before our buy one, get one free price. So we are going to divide that price into 2, making it $6.57. But then we are going to get that $3 off for the old system, okay? So that is going to be $3.57. Once you divide that by 6, you guys, we are looking at 59 cents each for these mini marshmallows. Now, if you are in a new system, you are going to grab 12 of them, okay? So we are going to do 12 times $2.19 brings us to $26.28, okay? We are going to divide that price by 2, bringing us to $13.14. But then we're going to get $3 off our $10 purchase. So our final cost is going to be $10.14. Once you divide that by 12, you're looking at 84 cents each. So that is for the mini marshmallows. If you want to do the larger ones, you can. Your price would just look a little different, but these are also going to be buy one, get one free tomorrow. So really good deals on some marshmallows. If you want to make you some s'mores or Rice Krispies, this is a good time to do it. Another amazing deal that we can do coming up tomorrow, you guys, is on the carbon marinara pasta. It is $9.49, but tomorrow it will be buy one, get one free, okay? We do have a $2 off coupon that is in our Publix app. So if you're in a half BOGO state, let me show you what it's going to look like. So $9.49, you're going to divide that price by 2 to get your half off price if you grab one. So you're looking at $4.74, but we have that $2 off coupon. So you're going to pay $2.74 out of pocket. But I talk about Ibotta all the time, y'all. It is the free rebate app. Download it. If you don't have it, use my referral code, but you're going to get $2 back. So your total is going to be 74 cents for one of the bottles. Now, if some of you guys don't have the $2 off coupon, some of these jars do have a save dollar coupon. So let me show you what the price will be for that. So if you're in a half BOGO state, $9.49 is what your price is going to look like before you do the half off. So you're looking at $4.74. You're going to subtract that dollar off coupon, paying $3.74 at the register, but then you are going to get $2 back. So you're looking at $1.74 for one of these jars. Okay, so let me know if you all have had these and if they're good. I stick to my originals, but I'm always down to try something different. Another great deal that you can do starting tomorrow is going to be on the lean cuisines. They are going to be 3 for $10. So you are going to pay $10 out of pocket. But if this is stuff that you get anyways, this is going to be a really good deal for you. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $1.50 back, which makes each one of these about $2.83. Now, with Ibotta, you have to purchase 3 of them. It's no ands or buts about it. You got to get 3. So you're going to pay $2.83 for each one, which is not a bad deal. Let me know, are these pretty good? I haven't had these, but I think my mama used to eat these, y'all. But let me know what your favorite, meal is and if these are pretty good. Another amazing deal that we have starting tomorrow is going to be on the Philadelphia cream cheese packs. Make sure it is these, okay, you guys? These are the ones that are going to be buy one, get one free, not these actual cream cheese. It looks like they were on the buy one, get one free special this past week. So make sure you get these. They're going to be $3.49 for the buy one, get one free. If you are in a half BOGO state, you already know that price splits into half. But We have a 5 off a $20 coupon. So I'm going to show you guys the new system and the old system way. We're going to start off with the old system way. We are going to grab 6 of them for $3.49. Okay, so that brings us to $20.94. You are going to divide that price into 2 to get your half off price, which is $10.47. We have a $5 off coupon, so it brings us to $5.47. All right, but once you divide that by 6, y'all, we're looking at 91 cents each. Now, if you're in a new system, you are going to grab 12 at $3.49. It comes to $41.88. I know that is a hike, okay, but you're going to divide that price into 2 to get your half off price, which brings us to $20.94. We're going to subtract that 5 off a $20 coupon, just paying $15.94 at the register, or about, I want to say it's like $1.34 each, you guys, but not a bad deal if you use this type of stuff anyways. Okay, so really good deal. If you are like a baker and you need like a stock load of this is a really good time to grab some of that Philadelphia cream cheese. Okay, another amazing deal that we have is on the Califia Cold Brew. It is $5.99. We are going to take our price and divide it by 2. So we are looking at $2.99. Now you should have a dollar off coupon in your app off of one. So that will bring you to $1.99 for just one of them. So not bad. Let me know if these are any good. I stick to Starbucks, but I'm down to try anything that is on sale, y'all. Another amazing deal that we have is on the Sister Dinner Yeast Rolls. They are going to be 2 for $7 tomorrow, but we do have a dollar off coupon on one. So with it being $7, we're going to divide that price into 2, so $3.50 each. But you're going to use your dollar off coupon, just paying $2.50 for some of these dinner yeast rolls. Let me know, are these any good, or do you all? I typically like these, honestly. I don't even know if they have a difference in taste, but they are all going to be buy one get one free, so you can use your dollar coupon to get them for $2.50, which is amazing. We also have another great deal on the Tide Rescue, guys. Now it's $3.99, and we only have 1 day left on Ibotta to get our $2.50 back. Okay, so this is kind of like a run deal in a way because we only have a day to get that $2.50 back, making this a completely free cheap item. But $3.99 is what you'll pay at the register. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $2.50 back, making your final cost for one of them just $1.49. So really insane deal on some of the Tide Rescue. I had to throw that in there because, y'all, that's a good deal to me. But I'm going to be showing you guys some more deals well, actually tomorrow, y'all. I'm going to show y'all some more deals tomorrow when the ad drops of more household items, personal care items, food items. So definitely stay tuned to that for that, and I will see you all in that video tomorrow.